Hello and welcome to my video. This is an unboxing video and review of the TP-Link 5-port gigabit TL-SG605 switch, network switch. A little bit of background why I got this. I've just had Virgin Media 1 gigabit internet installed, and my computer upstairs, the modem's hardwired downstairs into a Uni-Fi Dream Machine, which is then hardwired up to an old TP-Link switch which I had, and then obviously to my computer and a couple of APs. Now my computer upstairs was only getting, in fact I'll show you the speed setting. I basically get nowhere near 1 gigabit, and I wasn't quite sure why it was so slow. Obviously I've since discovered that my the other TP-Link switch I've got is only 100 meg, so that's the reason why it's so slow. So what I'll do, before I unbox this, I'll show you a quick speed test of what I've got now, and then we'll unbox this, fasten it up and plug it in, and then do another test and see what we get. So I'll just switch my camera around. Right, so here we are on speedtest.net. That's it, it's a 1 gigabit internet connection from Virgin, and this is what I'm currently getting. Still twice the speed of my last one, which is BT, which was getting about 53. So upload's pretty good, but obviously downloads nowhere near where it should be 10 times that. So there we go, 91.96, download 94.71 upload. Right, so as you can see, nowhere near where it should be. So I'll adjust my camera a little bit and then we'll unbox this and see what we get inside. The reason why I'm doing this is because when I was looking at it, I couldn't see any other reviews on YouTube, so I just thought I'll do one. Might help anyone else that's looking for it. So I've just got this today, come from Amazon, £15, which is an absolute bargain, providing it works okay. Right, so inside we have one of these kind of mashed up compressed cardboard things. So it's been recycled cardboard, which is pretty good. We have the TP-Link itself, which is actually quite heavy. It's still a bit smaller than my last one, which is fine, which is good. So the front we have obviously the 5 ports. You can plug the internet coming into any of those, and it'll just obviously it'll just distribute it to in the coming out. I'm only going to be using 3 of them, one to the computer and the 2 APs that I've got, again the Uni-Fi APs. I was going to get the Uni-Fi switch, but that's about £130, which, you know, this is 15, it's worth trying. On the rear we have power, reset and lock, wherever that is. Bottom of it we have a couple of mounting holes, which is actually pretty good because you can put them either way. So I'm happy with that. The top's just obviously got TP-Link wrote on it. So I'm probably going to have to mount it on the wall that way around due to obviously the wording. Also in the box we have an instruction guide. I don't know who uses instructions, not me. Another bit of paper, can't see with those, writing's too small. We have some small rubber feet to stick on, excuse me, and thankfully UK plug. Some things have been coming with EU plugs, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. I know the Uni-Fi one's not natively sold in the UK, so that comes with a European plug and like adapter, which I'm really not that fussed about. Right, lead is, I've got a tape measure here, we'll check the length of the lead. We'll straighten it free. So the lead, obviously I've not straightened this out fully, but it says it's probably about 150 centimetres, 59 inches roughly. I'd say. I know it shows a little bit short on here, but obviously I've not stretched the lead out, so it's not an accurate measure. Gives you a rough idea. Right, I'll just switch my camera around again. I'll show you what I'm replacing. Right, so what I have down here is one of the old TP links. Now, what I like about this, which I'm not keen on the other one, is that on the new one, is that all the cables go in the bottom of this and the lights are on the top, which means I can put the cables all pointing down, but I can still see what's happening. With the one I've just bought, the lights are right next to the ports, so I'll either have to put the cables on top, which will make it look scruffy, or I'll have to put them underneath and not see what the lights are doing. So I don't know, I'll probably just do it so the cable's underneath like this, because I probably don't use lights that much. I'm not going to video me putting it, taking this off and putting the other one on, basically because it's difficult to hold the camera and do that at the same time. So I'll be back in a minute. Right, this is all connected up. It took about 5 minutes. Just cable management is what took the time. Took just a couple of seconds to fit it all in. I just wanted to tidy it all up a little bit. I'll show you in place. Just switch this camera on. Right, so there it is in place. As you can see, there's actually the lights underneath, which are flashing green, which shows that it's getting the full 1 gigabyte. So let's run the speed test again. As I say, I've never actually done the speed test since the last one, so I've no idea if it's going to change, but I'm hoping it will. Box, that's gone from 90 odd straight up to 896. Got me happy with that. Coming in from Virgin, it's actually coming in at 1133, I think it was, which it's obviously more than that, but I believe that the Dreamcast and the APs restrict it a little bit just to make sure that no one item takes the full amount of bandwidth, that there's still some to share with others. So I'm still getting like 103 upload speed, which again is absolutely fine. So overall I'm getting 10 times what I did previously, so obviously very happy with that. As I say, if you like this video, in fact I'll go to the Dream Machine Unify tab as well, so that's showing that my APs are working. Obviously the computer room, Dream Machine itself, cinema room. I also have a speed test here. Now the speed test on here was given 900 and odd, because I believe that works a different way. So again, this is it does it a lot faster as well, this. So again, this is saying test with 731 and 100, a little bit less, but I'd say it works slightly different to the way that the speed test does. So I'm still happy that it's still far more than what I was getting. Originally I was getting 53, 56 at the top, and now I'm getting between 830 and 900, so you know, I've got to be happy with that. So that was my unboxing review of the TP-Link TL-SG605E. It's cost me £15 from Amazon, and for me it's best £15 spent, I think. So if you like this video, then please just give it a thumbs up. Thank you.